Hello, not a coding video this week, but an important and a necessary one. About 4.5 years ago, I started this YouTube channel, and 138 videos later and 240,000 subscribers later, here we are today. It's been an amazing ride. And I'd just like to say very clearly that I am not going to stop. But there are going to be some changes to the channel going forwards. It may surprise some of you to learn that I am not a full-time YouTuber, and in fact I typically only get about 10 to 15 hours a week to work on stuff for the One Lone Coder channel. And on average, a video can take anywhere between 15 and 45 hours to make, depending on how complex the topic is. In fact, I've documented this on the Javid X9 Extra channel in a playlist where you can see how I go about making the videos. When the channel first started, I was releasing a video every week, and frankly, it almost killed me. Then for the next 3 years, I've been creating a video every 2 weeks, and the balance has been just fine. But this year, there's been a noticeable drop in the number of videos. On average, they've been about once every 3 weeks, and I feel that I owe you as an audience and the people that enjoy my content an explanation. And to many of you, it won't come as a surprise that my wife and I are expecting our first child in just a few weeks. And so on top of working full-time and renovating our house to support the introduction of a new family member, and alongside all of the stress and anxiety involved with having a newborn arriving in your house, I'm simply not finding enough hours in the week to commit to a fortnightly release schedule for the channel. And with the impending significant change of lifestyle, I don't see me going back to a normal release schedule, well, for at least the rest of this year. But just to emphasize again, I have no plans on stopping. I'm still going to be making videos, I'm still going to be involved with all of the community activities associated with the OneLoneCoder.com output. For those of you that are in some way financially invested in the output of OneLoneCoder.com, either via Patreon or YouTube channel memberships or Twitch subscriptions, over the next few days I will be adjusting the way that those mechanisms work. I fully appreciate that if the amount of content that you're expecting is going down, then perhaps you don't want to contribute as much. And so where possible, I will introduce new flexible methods of supporting One Lone Coder. By temporarily reducing the number of hours I'm spending making YouTube videos, it does free up a little bit of time to do other things. For example, on Tuesday evenings at 8 PM GMT, we have the OLC Code Zone, which is a live stream on Twitch. And I'm planning on doing at least 3 one-hour live streams a week. So the Code Zone will stay, and that will continue with the project that's working with. Maybe on Friday nights we'll do something else, or it's a continuation of the Code Zone, and I'll probably find some time on a Sunday afternoon to do a stream that could be about anything, as long as it's programming and educational. I am still committed to developing and maintaining the Pixel Game Engine, and I've got some very exciting extensions to the Pixel Game Engine due out very soon, including the long-awaited graphical user interface extension, though if you can't wait, there are plenty of those made by other members of the community. I'm hoping to have a full 3D hardware accelerated graphics extension ready soon. And rather curiously, I also have a pixel shader extension too, which allows you to use hardware pixel shaders to manipulate how you render the 2D graphics on the screen. I'm still going to be an active member of the Discord community. I'll remain accessible and I'll answer questions and help out where I can. And I hope that this year I'll also find the time to overhaul the OneLoneCoder.com website with help from members of the community. I know for a few of you that fewer Javid X9 videos is a good thing, but for the majority of the audience I can appreciate you're probably going to be a little bit disappointed with this news. But I really just want to emphasize I'm not going anywhere, I just need to spend more time right now supporting my new family. Making these videos is a hobby of mine. It's what I find relaxing. I enjoy the creative process behind writing the code and failing at writing the code and then rewriting it and then filming it all and editing it and trying to make it as concise and entertaining and informative as I possibly can. Moving away from a fixed release schedule will allow me to continue to make videos of a quality that I am proud of, but it will also free up my time so that I can spend it on things that are necessary at this stage of my life. I hope you all understand. I wish to thank all of you for your support, and I'll see you on the next video.